Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to do another follow-up video for my Zmodo security system. Since the last video, I really wanted to show you guys, I've shown you the system itself from unboxing to how it looks on your TV or your monitor if you're actually buying the NVR system with like a terabyte hard drive for actual storage. Well, now I wanted to take a couple of minutes and just show you how to use the Zmodo app. So go ahead and if you have your smartphone, you can pull it up yourself, or you just go to Google Play or the Apple iOS store and download the Zmodo app. And this is what you'll go to. You'll go to your home screen, you'll sign in, and then you'll see what I have going on here. So this is your home page, and this is where you'll spend most of your time when you use the app. So as you can see, there's an away setting, a home setting, a sleep setting, and a wake up setting. I actually don't use any of the different modes. I just stayed in the home setting. So that's what we're going to talk about today. But I can show you the other ones. There's no difference. It's just how you edit them. So through the home tab, this is what I always like to look at. My smart kit. That is the whole system I have, which is 8 cameras. Then it shows you the EZCam 1, which is this wireless camera right here that I have. And then there's smart devices 1 through 8. So that is my smart kit, but built out into each individual one if you want to look specifically by a camera. So I like to use the smart kit, and the first thing you can do is live. Click the live, and you'll see in real time my 4 cameras there and the 4 cameras here. And yes, you can see in mine, 2 devices are offline. I'm having some technical issues on my cabling. I had to use a couple of couplers and make my own Cat6 run out to my garage because the cables, I think the longest ones, they give you about 100 feet, and I needed more than that. So I'm having some technical ends on my issues. No problem so far with Zmodo's cameras. But this is the live view. It's really nice, really cool. Here is a specific device within there. If you hit the settings tab, so you can control night vision, motion detection, cloud service if you have that option. I currently don't. And then we'll go to EZCam 1. This is cool. This is those wireless cameras they have. They're a couple of bucks. I'll link both of these systems into my video description below so you can check them out on Amazon. They're awesome cameras. They're super cheap and very affordable. Great quality as well. So here's the Zmodo one, the wireless one live. You can see from the app. And then there's the options to hold the microphone button to talk because there's two-way audio, or you can mute it. Playback, take a photo, start recording video. There's some settings, again, same thing. You control the microphone, screen inversion, that sort of thing. And then each smart device again. So I'm not going to use those because it's the same as a smart kit. But then if you want to actually see like your alerts or your events without going into the events tab below, just select the image and it'll show you all the events. So we'll go ahead, we'll play back this event. I'm watering my flowers today. You can see that little alert right there. And then we can see some actual footage if you want. Right here, this should be, there's Doug in the backyard. And then this should be a video, maybe. No? Okay. But of Doug and I coming outside to take him potty. And then if you actually want, there's an events tab. So you got the home events, discovery, and me. We'll look at the events tab as well. So here is some actual video as well from today. So you can see the first one. This will show everything, not just your one system or camera. This is all the events from all devices. And it looks like you can filter it by camera, but it defaults to showing all of them. So I could see my wireless one, or here we'll do motion from today. That's the same one we just looked at. How about this one? Here's actual video. That's my puppy Doug going potty outside. What else do we want to see? That was me watering. Here's a neighbor walking by, triggered the motion alert. And then you can see this video icon where it's actually showing a video. So there's the actual footage of me walking to water my plants. So it's really cool, really awesome system. Discovery tab is more about like purchasing Zmodo services or cloud. So really an awesome app, super happy with it and no complaints. They continue to update it. This is a new update too, so I'm glad I'm doing the video now. They just updated it again, but they do a really good job. It's a really great product, easy to use, especially for the price point. So go ahead, check out my stuff in the video description below. It'll take you to Amazon. You can read reviews, do some shopping. They got a bunch of different products that could definitely meet your needs. Really happy in regards to the home security system. Excellent value. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.